on that bright summer's day, found a letter from her son in a war far away. He spoke of the weather and good friends that he'd made.
I've been thinking about Dad and the life that he had. That's why I'm here today. And then at the end I said, you are what I'm fighting for.
It was the first of his letters from war.
Started writing, you're good and you're brave. What a father that you'll be someday. Make it home, make it safe. I wrote every night as I prayed.
Late in December, a day she'll not forget. Oh, her tears stained the paper with every word that she read.
I was up on a hill, I was out there alone when the shots all rang out and bombs were exploding. That's when I saw him, he came back for me. And though he was captured, a man set me free. And that man was your son. He asked me to write to you. I told him I would, oh I swore.
It was the last of the letters from war.
And I prayed he was living, kept on believing, and wrote every night just to say, you are good and you're brave. What a father that you'll be someday. Make it home, make it safe. Still I kept writing each day.
Then 2 years later, autumn leaves all around. A car pulled in the driveway and she fell to the ground. For out stepped a captain where her boy used to stand.
Mom, I'm following orders from all of your letters, and I've come home again.
And he ran to hold her and dropped all his bags on the floor, holding all of her letters from war.